To customize your lock screen in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter wallpaper and style right here, and after that, first thing that you can do is change a wallpaper for your lock screen only. So you can go right here and choose your own custom photo for the wallpaper. You can go for live effects, AI wallpapers, emoji workshop, or the photos from collections. In this case, I don't want to change the wallpaper. I like it how it is, so let's leave it at that. And then we can scroll down and select the clock. From there, you'll be able to customize the clock for your lock screen with different styles, different colors, and different sizes. You can apply it. Then you can go to shortcuts, which allows you to customize shortcuts for the left and right side of your lock screen. You can add camera and a flashlight, for example. Then there's notifications on lock screen. You can enable or disable them and also adjust how they will be received and adjust the 3 options below depending on your lock screen notifications. More lock screen settings allows you to adjust everything specified for lock screen, like notifications that we've covered, widgets that you can enable or disable and customize, add users from lock screen, add text to your lock screen or remove it, use device controls, adjust the shortcuts that we've already covered, dynamic clock that adjusts the size based on the content in your lock screen, now playing, which allows you to identify the songs that are playing in the background, tap to check phone, you can tap to wake up your screen, lift to check phone, you can pick your phone to wake up the screen, and wake screen for when there's notifications incoming. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.